Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by defining exactly how you will use the Kpop track and why that matters. Once done, identify the rights holders. Publisher for composition, label for master, PROs for performance, and gather contact info. Make a concise project brief and a short sample clip to show intent, because labels respond faster to specifics. Next, set a clear budget and timeline so you can ask for appropriate license types and fees without wasting time. You now move into negotiation. Request written quotes for sync and master rights, specify exact territories, platforms, and term length, and ask whether exclusivity applies. Make sure you understand mechanical versus performance versus neighboring rights because each can carry separate fees. Use a reputable licensing platform or hire an agent to streamline offers and counters. Keep a spreadsheet of deadlines and payment milestones. Once you have terms, confirm deliverables, technical specs, and required credits so there are no surprises later. Finish by executing contracts and paying agreed fees. You must collect signed licenses, cue sheets, and contact info for future reporting. Then deliver masters or stems with accurate metadata, SRC, and publisher splits so platforms can match rights and revenue. If a copyright claim appears, immediately submit your licenses and proof to the platform, and if unresolved, use the dispute or counter notice process while keeping records. For persistent issues, contact the licensor or a rights attorney to escalate.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.